So this is part 2 of our laundry renovation. Hi everyone, it's Hyperworld. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Yeah, as you can see, we did something a little bit different for a garage laundry room. We actually wanted to put up a barn door or possibly some cabinet doors. However, we're still limited to the space that we have available because this is a garage, and even though we do all our woodworking and building in here, at the end of the night we bring our cars in, and if we put up if we put up a barn door or we put up cabinet doors, they wouldn't be able to open with the cars in here. So we had to think of a different solution that we would be able to encase everything, keep out the sawdust while we're working on projects, and the best thing we can come up with is this giant shower curtain that's washable. So we're going to show you all the details of what's behind here. Let's take a look at what we did.
And be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. Thank you. Right now we're working on the braces, then we're going to put them on the wall. These braces will help support the shelves and keep it from bowing.
We need to level the braces so that the shelves themselves are level, and we're going to be screwing the brace into the wall where the studs are to make sure it can handle the weight of the shelves.
Here we are adding a new wall
to encase the washer and dryer. Unfortunately, we ran into a little problem. Most of the walls in the garage, the drywall stuck out farther than the concrete. In this particular area, we didn't realize the concrete stuck out beyond the drywall, and this prevents us from placing the board up against the back wall.
So we go back to the drawing board where we have to cut out a little notch.
All right, let's try this again.
Now back to adding braces. We dropped in the shelves and did a little touch-up paint.
Now we're installing some braces that we found on Amazon that are going to hold up a curved, adjustable curtain rail. If you're interested, we'll leave a link in the description below.
The rail can be straight or curved, and then you snap them into the braces.
We added rollers to the track, which will be used to hang the curtains from.
We replaced our old utility sink with a new one.
We installed a stick-on backsplash, but we're very disappointed because it was see-through. But we're very happy with the towel rack that we installed.
We cut out some vinyl to use it as a shelf liner. Standard curtain lengths were too short and it would allow sawdust to get in from the bottom. We got a hold of some extra long ones, but it meant that we were going to have to do some hemming. Neither one of us are good at hemming, so we found a different solution. The solution is to use iron-free hem tape. But before we do that, we're going to use curtain weights to hold the curtain down. And then we use the tape to hem it up.
Next, we use Velcro that will be used to hold the curtain tight to the wall and minimize sawdust from getting in.
And here is our new laundry room.
And this is how we seal it off when we're working on projects. Well, that went over pretty good, but I think we're just about done with this area. Nothing else we can do.
I know, it looks pretty much completed. Oh, hi everybody, welcome back. This was the last of our garage renovations, but now we're gonna just figure out what we're gonna do now.
Well, even though we say that's the last of the space that we have available in the garage, there's always room for improvement. So you never know. We might have to rebuild a few things and make them better and more efficient and space saving items as well.
And Mr. Poorman, what are we doing next week?
Glad you asked. Next week we're going to go back to the IT, and I'm going to show some step-by-step instructions on a smart home device and how you install it and set it up.
Oh, that sounds like fun. All right.
So until then.
Bye-bye.